Now Orlov. The Canes win the draw. Natchez. He gets it to Drury. They score! Jack Drury finds the opening, and the Canes get the first goal. It's 1-0 Carolina.
What a shot! Drury wins the draw just like he did late against Dallas to seal the game in his own end. And from the sharpest of angles on his natural side. I mean, truly a shot of perfection. Natchez continues now his point streak to 4 games after the 13-point streak ended. Orlov is going to cash with a secondary assist, but it's all about the shot. Off the mask of Shesterkin and in.